Hi, my name is Timo, and in this video I'll show you how to install the wpmanager. But first, let's go over the requirements. You will need an Ubuntu VPS with at least 2 GB of RAM and 10 GB of disk space. A domain name where the wpmanager will be installed. Step 1. Registration. Go to the website the-wpmanager.com and fill in your details to create an account. Step 2. Installation. After registering, wait until you receive an email. In that email, you will find a command. Copy this command and paste it into the terminal of your VPS to start the installation. Step 3. Accessing your installation. Once the installation is complete, open your browser and go to your domain name. In my case, that is timodeploy.nl. Thank you for watching.